Yo, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the truth about the Corsa Extreme full catback system and going over everything you guys need to know. What's up Hemifam family? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. If you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We do a lot of awesome Mopar content that you guys are not going to want to miss. So like I said guys, today we're going to be doing the Corsa Extreme, talking about everything you need to know and the truth about the entire exhaust system, a little bit about the technology that cancels out the drone so you can ride around with your your Hellcat, your Scat Pack, and not have to worry about that annoying just that nasty sound when it hits into 4-cylinder mode or just at 2,000 RPMs on the highway. But first, like I said guys, we just started a brand new Twitch channel where we are going to be posting a lot of gaming content, live gameplay. If you are on Twitch, please give us a follow. I got one.
Your terminal is almost ready.
They're inside this fucking tower, dude. Knocked. Wow, dude, the whole team was in there. I just killed 3 of them right now. Oh my gosh, dude. I just ran. Aren't on Twitch, it's very easy to make an account. All you need is an email and you are good to go. You can then follow myself. Our Twitch channel is Hemifam TV and lots of other great channels as well. So be sure to follow our new Twitch channel, support us there. Your support truly means the world to us. The link will be in the video description, and I mean real good stuff. So back to the video at hand. The Corsa Extreme catback system. I just think it is a wonderful exhaust system. The price is pretty fair. It's about maybe $1,700 to $1,600. I do have a promo code that you can use that will save you guys a few dollars off of the catback exhaust. So you can get yourself the Corsa Extreme and save a little bit of money. I always love to save money, whether it's $20, $100, anything helps, and that is more money that I can use for more car parts.
More if we have to, overnight parts from Japan.
Or other things. But the Corsa, they have built a really great exhaust system for pretty much all cars. On the 392, I think it's a 275-inch pipe that connects cat back, and I have the Extreme, so it's pretty much full straight pipe into the rear where the mufflers are, and that's where the real magic happens and the drone canceling technology really shines. And like I said, I've had this installed on my car for months and months. I haven't had any issues whatsoever with fitment, leaks, clamps. Everything is golden. I did have one issue, and that is not from Corsa. In the rear of the car, the bolt that attaches to the frame that holds the exhaust hanger, it was actually coming loose, and I was hearing like a knocking, you know, rattling in the back, and I'm like, bro, what is that? And I got under there and I was like, whoa, the bolt was literally about to fall off, and I probably would have lost one of the exhausts and bent crazy pipe. But you know, that was just due to the car and some of the other mods that I have, just creating a ton of vibration and you know what I mean, just movement in that exhaust. So I put some Loctite on the bolt and we were golden. Haven't had any issues with the exhaust whatsoever. This is the Corsa Extreme, so it is their most loudest, obnoxious one they got. That's just a little highway pull for you guys. Windows up. The Corsa Extreme literally sounds good at all RPMs, guys. They use the RSC drone canceling technology, and basically they use math and science to route the exhaust tones and vibrations to not muffle the true exhaust sound, but quieting that ugly sound. They cancel that out and let your car breathe, flow, and sound amazing. So I will play a video in here from Corsa on the drone canceling technology. They can explain it a little better than I can, so we will roll that clip for you guys.
Every car has a voice, but a poorly engineered exhaust system can make your head feel like it's going to explode. That's not what cruising in your car is supposed to feel like. And so here's what we do. We listen. Using math and science, we'll bounce your car's voice around until we find that spot where it re-enters the pipe out of phase, eliminating the head-pounding drone zone. The acoustic magic of RSC is that we don't silence your vehicle's voice, we create the custom solution that lets your car sound like it should. Your car with Corsa Performance RSC technology, as it was meant to sound.
So the drone canceling technology, trust me guys, it really works. I am running off-road mid pipes, which then the Corsa Extreme bolts up to, and I have my MF1 active exhaust plates, which lock the exhaust valves open 24/7, guys. And I mean, with my setup, you should get lots and lots of drone. And the Corsa Extreme has literally, I mean, cut that down to basically nothing. And I was really impressed about that, guys. I mean, I was expecting some, you know, drone or things like that, but they do what the exhaust says. It cancels the technology, or it cancels the drone, and the technology really works, guys. And like I said, the Corsa Extreme is the most extreme sound level. It may not be legal in certain states where you have exhaust noise restrictions, like in California it is 95 decibels. My car, as modded as is way over 95 decibels at idle, at RPMs, you name it. Let me pitch this angle here. Crazy dip, but at all RPMs, guys, like it's crazy. Corsa is a really great company. They make awesome products, and they are really good people. So I have been very happy with the exhaust. I'm actually a Corsa ambassador, so you know, we rep for them at shows. I got a Corsa decal on my car, one up here in the front, and yeah, you know, as an ambassador, our job is to talk about the exhaust, you know, show the exhaust what they can do and just how good they are. And if you are familiar with this channel, you would know that we don't push bad junk products on you guys. If we're talking about it, it's because it works, or it is really good stuff that you should put on your vehicle. And if you are gonna go the Corsa Extreme, you really can't go wrong. Now they have two options. You can get the Corsa Extreme, which is the most loudest, aggressive sound that they have, or you can get the Corsa Sport, which is still gonna let your car speak and sound, but it is going to basically be a little bit less aggressive, and the sound isn't gonna be as crazy, guys. And so you have choices. You don't have to go the balls to the wall extreme. You can go with the Sport, and you may still be within your state's legal limits here. So I will put a link to the Corsa website in the video description, and you can check them out. They have exhaust systems, cat backs, headers. They have cold air intakes, so you can get your car pumping more power from the engine, from the middle, the exhaust, everywhere. Corsa has you guys covered 100%, guys. And I run Corsa, and you guys should too, because it is a really good exhaust. The car sounds absolutely amazing at all RPMs, guys. That's idle, revving, I mean redlining. It really sounds good versus a mid muffler delete. Now I've had a mid muffler delete on my car for years before I got the Extreme, and the mid muffler delete sounds great. It sounds good, it's loud, but it does get a little raspy, and it is droney as hell, guys. I mean, not like outrageous bad droney, but compared to the Corsa Extreme, it's like, oh my god, it was like a night and day difference between the drone sound of the straight pipe, the mid muffler delete, versus the Corsa. So I have been super pleased with the Corsa. You know, they don't play any games. Their shipping is fast, and they're just good people, guys. So I really can't thank Alex enough. That is one of our reps, all the fine people at Corsa. David, he's actually an engineer, I believe. We met him at Springfest. Corsa had a booth, and they came over, they heard my car, and they were like, holy shit, your car is loud and it sounds damn good. And I'm like, well, I got the Corsa, my friends. So yeah, guys, Corsa, you really can't go wrong. If you want to be that guy that has the loudest car, the most aggressive sounding car, Corsa is definitely the way you want to head, and put that on your vehicle. I know people that have had the headers with the catback exhaust system, and oh my gosh, it sounds great. Talking about you, SLK Scat. So that boy just got a new wrap job, and his car is looking magnificent. Follow him on Instagram. Lots and lots of great photos, and a really great guy. So let's go ahead and see if I can get some clips of the exhaust for you guys, some revving, some pulls, that way you guys can get a little better idea of how it sounds. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I do have a lot of exhaust clips, things like that, in my Instagram. So that is @officiallyryan. I will put all the links are in the video description. But the Corsa just sounds absolutely great, guys, and I love it. It's probably one of my favorite mods versus the bags, because obviously the bags are my favorite, but I mean, exhaust is number 2. You gotta have the loud pipes if you are driving a car like this. So let's go ahead and play some of these exhaust clips so you guys can get a idea of how the exhaust sounds in video without having to, you know, hit my Instagram or whatnot. But after this video, be sure you follow us on all of our social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitch. Subscribe. You don't want to miss all the awesome videos we have for you, and I really can't thank each and every one of you enough for your continued support and everything you do. So let's go ahead and roll these clips, guys, and see how badass this exhaust is gonna sound on your 392 Scat Pack or Hellcat. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. This has been the truth about the Corsa Extreme catback system and everything you need to know about it. I mean, the car sounds damn good. I hope you guys like the clips we got. I don't want to get too crazy because the car's loud, town is small, and I don't want to get popped. I just got a tail light and window tint ticket. Don't need any more tickets right now. They marked it non-correctable, so now I have to pay a big fine. Thanks a lot, California. But be sure to like this video, share it on social media, check the video description for all of our social media handles. Be sure to follow our new Twitch channel, support us there, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Be sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.